drop down list. Drop down list short and long. This is manual typing. Okay. Drop down list short. Short in here you can see list of country name, right? Only few items are there, and the city is little big. For example, if I have only yes or no type of drop down list, I can manually type here this combine one. I mean data validations, drop down list. I mean sorry, data validation allow list. The source in a sense this field, in this field only we are typing it. So since it's only yes or no, yes, comma, no. Okay, this option should be okay. That means, as I already mentioned about this data validation definitions, actually we are restricting this particular cell. Here we is restricted with yes or no, content or value by giving drop down list. Here you can see yes or no. If I trying to type any other apart from yes or no, it will not allow it. Okay. Actually, this is since it's yes or no is very small sentence, we are manually typing it. In case if it's long one, little short. So in this area, through this area out only, we are going to implement this drop down list. Select this area first. Data validations, drop down list, up arrow, selecting completely here. Down arrow, okay, it can get this respective it. Similar way, if I want to give the long list here, select this particular range, data validation, drop down, list, up arrow, completely we are selecting here and drop down and okay it. You can get it. It's very simple, right? After this, on which scenario we are using, I'll show you. Can just try this quickly. So you might be thinking, if you have multiple drop down lists with single sheet, every time we go and select this and data validation clear all, no need. For that, go to home. Here you can see find and select under editing group, right? Click on it and click on data validations. So automatically Excel itself will catch up and show us by selecting all those ranges where we apply the data validations. After that, go directly data validations, click data validations, OK, and clear all. Now it will get clear everywhere. No need to go one by one and all. Go to home, under editing group, you can see find and select. And here we are going to select actually. That's the reason it's self-explanatory, this ribbon, right? Find and select. So we are finding what this thing data validations. Click on it. Since it's already cleared, it's not show. And after that, we'll get selected and clear from directly clicking from data validations. Okay.